In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to solve algebraic identities and find A and B. Let's start. Before we start, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. The first question, x plus 1 is equal to A, x minus 1 plus B, x minus 3. Whatever you have here, write it on the side. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. When you bring the 5 to the other side, it will become positive 5. The same we are going to do with the second bracket. X minus 3 is equal to 0. When you bring this 3 to the other side, it will be positive 3. You can write like that, or you can just solve it directly by understanding that if this is a negative 5, you are going to take positive 5. If this is a negative 3, you are going to take positive 3. Now we will write when x is equal to 5, or let x equal to 5. Wherever there is 5 in this equation, we'll replace it with, wherever there is x in this equation, we'll replace it with 5. So 5 plus 1 is equal to A, 5 minus 5 plus B, 5 minus 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So A is cancelled. And we are left with B. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 is equal to 2B. Divide by 2. And we have 3 is equal to B. Now to find A. Let x equal 3. So wherever there is x, we'll substitute 3. This will be 3 plus 1. A is 3 minus 5. If when you substitute you get 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, correct? So 0 multiplied by B, 0. So B is cancelled, no need to write it here. And you will have 4 is equal to negative 2A. Divide both the sides by negative 2 and you will get negative 2 is equal to A. Example 2. 6x plus 7 is equal to A. 2x minus 1 plus B, x plus 2. So again we'll write the bracket on the side. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to half. And the second factor is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to negative 2. So we will replace here let x equal negative 2. In place of x, we are going to substitute negative 2. So 2 multiplied by negative 2. Remember to put your brackets correctly. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So 0 multiplied by b is 0. So b is cancelled. And we will have negative 5 is equal to negative 5a. When you put this in the calculator, you will get negative 5. Divide the side, both the sides with negative 5. This will get cancelled. And 1 is equal to a. For the next factor, we will use 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to half. Let x equal to half. Wherever there is x, we'll substitute half. 2x minus 1, if you substitute half here, will be 0. So 0 multiplied by a, 0. Cancelled, we'll only use b. Half plus 2. This will give us 10 and this will give us 5 over 2b. You have to find b, so this term you have to move to the other side. When you want to move it to the other side and you have a numerator and a denominator, the denominator will be a numerator. So now I will write it as 10 multiplied by 2 and the numerator will turn into a denominator. So 4 is equal to b. This brings us to the end of this example. In the next video, I'll show you how to find A, B, and C. Thank you for watching.